Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go over a new product that the Happy Planner just launched, and it is a new custom planner where you're able to make and build your own planner to your own specific needs. So we're going to go over what is this all about, and I'll show price points, I'll show all the different options. Basically, I'm going to take you along as I am creating my own custom planner because I'm going to purchase one from this new release. So if you go on the Happy Planners website, you'll see right here, it says new custom planner, shop now. So we're going to click in there. And then you'll see on this little video right here, it is going to come in pieces and you will have to build it and put it together. But this is basically, it'll come in nicely packaged and ready to be built for you to put your planner together, which is really cool. So it says build yours in 3 easy steps from $29.99 with 2 bonus months included. So that's nice. So you'll be able to start using it a lot sooner than when this planner officially starts, which is a 2025 start date for this planner. So let's get started and see what they have when it comes to all the customization. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick the look of your cover, how your planner is going to look from the outside. And they have lots of different options. There's a radiant crystal, soft marble, seasonal whimsy, seasonal picnic, turquoise tropics, that one's really pretty, I'm reading the name of the cover, jewel jungle, neutral leopard, charming blooms, pattern petals, sorbet pastels, modern midnight, shadow and light, lunar garden, shine bright, happy plans, pastel patchwork, petal palette, abstract paintbrush, folk and meadow, and then we have ivory and gold. So I feel like there's a good mix of, like, there's neutral options for me, like I really like neutral. There's very colorful options for the colorful vibed people. So yeah, there's there's something for everybody, and I'm sure that, you know, this is for a launch. This is what they're starting with when it comes to covers and customization, but I'm sure if this does well, then they'll probably add more stuff. But for now, I'm gonna pick, if you know me, I'm more neutral vibes. I mean, I really do like this charming blooms, but I'm leaning more towards these two. Now, another thing that you need to note is that there's also matching dividers that come with these. So take a look at those too, because this is going to be the inside, what it's going to look like. And also another note, these are just dividers with nothing on the back. So if you've ever wanted a planner where the monthly wasn't attached to the back, because I know that's been something that a lot of people have issue with, these dividers, once you're done with this planner, they'll be reusable because they are double-sided with the pattern. I don't know if it's the same pattern on the other side, but it has a pattern on the other side of the planner. Since you're putting it together, it makes sense because they're gonna put your weekly pages, your planner pages are going to be separate from the dividers. So of course it can't be printed on the back with the calendar. So yeah, that's cool. If you've ever, you know, that was been one of your issues with Happy Planner, is that the monthly starts on the divider. This planner won't have that. So that's nice. So yeah, definitely look at not only the cover, but also look at the matching dividers that come in it, because these are really, it's cool to see the different patterns. Like I said, I'm more leaning towards this like modern midnight. I like that it says agenda on here. The dividers are just black. They're black, very, very neutral, but I'm kind of leaning towards this one, shadow and light. It's a little black and white vibe, which I like. And then I actually really like all these dividers. They're really, really pretty. Just the aesthetic of them. They have like minimal pattern, but yeah, this is definitely more my vibe. So I think I'm going to choose this cover, shadow and light. That one's really nice. And then next thing is you get to choose your disc. So you have lots of options of disc. There are all of these right here. Most of these are plastic, so definitely pay attention to that too. We have like indigo plastic, and then it shows you on the side what it's going to look like so you can preview it. We have copper plastic, silver plastic, there's rainbow plastic. I really love this tortoiseshell plastic one. I think that looks like a fun combo. I am always, when it comes to my planner, I love metal discs. So I'm going to pick a metal disc option, and the metal discs start at the black metal right here, which I love that black metal. Could always use another black metal disc. And then we have gold, which definitely goes with the foil there. Rose gold. We have hot pink and silver. So those are the metal disc options right now that they're offering. Now, another thing to note is the metal discs are going to be a little bit more expensive than the plastic. So you can see black metal is $5.99. And I believe it doesn't change the price point with plastic. So right now we're still at $29.99. But if I add the black metal, it's an additional $5.99. So be aware of that too. Obviously metal is more expensive. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with the black metal because I love black metal discs and I could use another pair of black metal discs in my collection. So that one's good. All right, so then next we're going to choose the layout. I believe you can only choose one layout and then you can add some other stuff later, which I'll show in a bit. But right now we're going to choose the layout. They have all of the popular layouts from the Happy Planner. We have the vertical, horizontal, which is the new horizontal layout that has the little checklist on the side that they came out with this fall. Dashboard. Ooh, now it doesn't want to switch. I was having this issue earlier, so let me refresh this page because I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, sorry about that. My internet's acting really funny and it's lagging my internet. So the next one is dashboard, which is just the regular dashboard. It looks very like neutral, so it's going to be more neutral planners inserts that are going in here. We have productivity, which is basically like an hourly with a checklist top section. Well, two little checklists. Color block. This is usually what they use for student planners. Monthly, which it has a bunch of checklists. This is actually the one I'm gonna do. You can't really tell the layout because they only show the two first pages of the monthly planner, but it's basically a running list of checklists, which I use at work. So I'm definitely getting this one. We have hourly. So you got the hourly there and then an open section here. And then the checklist design, which is dot grid, checklist, and then just the plain box. So like I said, I'm going to do monthly because this is the one that I'm looking to get. And also I need to repick my stuff because when I refreshed the page, it changed it all. So okay, I wanted black disc and that cover. Okay, that's correct. All right. And then next step is choose additional planner extensions. So you're able to add extensions into your planner, which is really cool. So we have a stress management pack, and then it shows a little preview of what that looks like. I'm not familiar with this layout, but I think it has, I can't really tell. But I think they've come out with this in the past. So if you like, to manage your stress, it has a nice layout here to do that. And this is a 6-month extension. So that's and then there's a budget one. It's just their normal budget planner if you're familiar with that. So that's the budget one. There is a meal planning one. This one's cool too, because you can meal plan and do grocery lists and stuff. I really like that one. And then there's a fitness pack one, which is their just regular fitness layout that they always come out with. There's a wellness one. It's kind of similar to fitness, but doesn't just focus on fitness and that kind of stuff. It's kind of more overall health. Undated. Okay, then you get some extension packs if you would like. These are undated. These are undated. So this one is a 6-month vertical extension pack. Just the vertical pages. And then we have a dashboard. That's undated. So those are the options for extension packs. And it says multiple extension packs can be selected. So on this, you can buy multiple things. On the layout, you can only pick one, but on the extension packs, you can add as many as you want. So I think I'm gonna do meal planning because I've been really good about that recently, and I like the idea of this. So we're gonna do meal planning and fitness because I'm trying to get better about fitness. So we'll add those into my planner. Okay, so I chose the cover, chose my discs, chose my layout, and chose a couple of extension packs. And the extension packs are $6.99 each. So right now my total is $49.96 for the planner. So $50 plus you have to pay for shipping and tax and stuff. Picked everything. Everything looks good. I'm going to hit the terms and conditions. I believe you have to hit that before you add it, because it's just basically saying, I understand that custom planners are final sale. I have reviewed my choices and confirmed my selection. So basically, make sure you picked everything that you want, because you cannot return this planner. So yeah, make sure you choose correctly and review and double check, triple check what you get, because it is final sale. And then the planners are dated from 2025 of January to December, and they're not eligible for rewards redemption. So also keep that in mind too. You cannot use your rewards on this planner. All right, so we're just going to add to cart. I'm just going to add it to the cart. We'll review it again. Make sure you review. So $49.96. We have the custom planner. The cover is Shadow and Light. Discs are black metal. That added an additional $5.99. Choose your metal your layout monthly. The planner extensions, yes, we have the meal planning 6-month and fitness 6-month. Terms and conditions, we did click yes, and then you can preview to click to view image, which is basically just an image of the cover. But yeah, that is it. Super easy. So I'm excited to receive this. When I do receive it, I will be putting it all together so you can see me put my planner, my custom planner together. And yeah, excited for that. So let me know down in the comments if you are excited about this. I know a lot of people are going to be excited about the cover, the divider situation, that the monthly doesn't start in the divider. That's going to be cool to see. And I'm excited to see what other things they'll add later on down the line when it comes to customization. So yeah, this is just the start of it. I think a lot of people are excited about it from what I've heard. I think it's a lot better than when they first tried to do custom planners, because that didn't really feel like you were customizing things. But this is a good start. So I'm excited to see where else this goes. Now that we have all these fun options. So thanks for joining me as I created my custom planner. I hope you enjoyed watching. Definitely let me know down in the description which custom planner you're looking at. I really like this. This one's pretty, this agenda one. That one's gorgeous. But yeah, definitely let me know which one you're looking at if you are interested in purchasing one of these. Ooh, that one is actually really pretty. But yeah, definitely let me know. I would love to hear that. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me as I create my custom planner. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.